Greetings and salutations. I'm Dr. J.P. Pizzino, here today to tell you about some of the treasure chest of tools you will receive at the Unity Holistic Wellness Center workshop on aging gracefully. This topic has fascinated me for over 35 years as I became board certified in preventive medicine then. I now work as a longevity consultant, helping people take daily action on preserving their health long into the future. Nowhere is this more important than in muscle and brain. If you are able to move, you can live your life, and your brain gets to decide how you want to live your life, hopefully full of grace. Although gravity is stealing 1% of our muscle mass every year after the age of 30, we can assess where we are and take action to counteract this. In the workshop, we will do 2 quick tests you can do from anywhere that you actually have a seat. We will talk about body composition, and this isn't so much about cosmetic fat, but more about how much muscle do you have. And we will address the 6 essential functions that determine not only how well your brain works, but also the same identical areas address lifelong health in the cardiovascular, metabolic, and immune systems. Find out natural things that you can do without a doctor or drugs to turn on the youth preservation in your own body. Learn why there are really no such thing as senior moments and what simple daily actions you can take to prevent them. Rather than letting the calendar pages slip by into helplessness, I can't wait to help you empower yourself to stay strong and healthy into old age. No one wants to spend more time in a nursing home. Let's take action to enjoy every day of our lives naturally. I will see you live or online at the Unity Holistic Wellness Center on June 24th. See you then.